The future of welding, where precision meets efficiency. Introducing our state-of-the-art robotic welding system. Today, we'll take you on a journey through the seamless world of automated welding, showcasing the power and precision of our cutting-edge technology. A technological marvel that brings together speed, accuracy, and reliability. The speed and thickness of automated welding translate into faster production cycles, reducing downtime and increasing output. With its sleek design and advanced programming, our robotic arms are ready to tackle any welding challenge with unparalleled precision. Versatility is the name of the game. Our robotic welding system is equipped to handle a wide range of materials and thickness, making it the ideal solution for diverse welding applications. Experience the precision, versatility, and safety of our robotic welding lines. Stay ahead of the competition with a system designed for maximum efficiency. Revolutionize your welding processes and elevate your production to new heights. Contact us today and step into a world where excellence is not just a goal, but a reality.